Lab biosafety level criteria. When we talk about the biosafety level, it means the containment level. Containment level are the precautionary measures that we have to take while handling or managing the infectious agents in the lab so that they are not exposed to the environment and the human beings are not posed to the health risk. Now, whenever we talk about the biosafety level, it is actually defined as the level of containment precautions required to isolate dangerous pathogenic organisms in an closed vicinity of lab. Now, containment levels ranges from the lowest level to the highest level. It is characterized into 4 groups. Biosafety level 1, that has the lowest safety level for the environment. Then BSL2, which is known as biosafety level 2, biosafety level 3, abbreviated as BSL3, and biosafety level 4, abbreviated as BSL4. Now, these biosafety levels were specified in United States of America by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The same biosafety levels were followed by the European Union, but they are defined as directives. Now, in order to move towards the safety levels, in 1953, Herbert was a scientist who designed biosafety cabinet, and now it is necessary to use biosafety cabinets in BSL2, BSL3, and even at BSL4 level. In 1955, biological warfare labs were established in United States of America, and for that a meeting was held in 1955 that composed of 14 delegates. And in this meeting, chemical, radiological, biological, industrial safety issues were discussed. Later, number of conferences were arranged, और इन कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में डिफरेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आते थे फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटीज हॉस्पिटल्स एंड इवन फ्रॉम द प्राइवेट लैब्स एंड एट इंडस्ट्रियल लेवल. So in 1984 American Biological Safety Association was developed और उसी सेम ईयर में इसके लॉज और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी डिज़ाइन और अप्रूव हो गए. Then in 2008 1600 members joined this association in order to look at the biosafety levels. Now, different biosafety levels require the containment zone, and whenever we talk about the containment zone, it can only be a chemical fume hood that is required for the isolation, identification and characterization of microorganisms such as bacteria. Now at biosafety level 4, we require special fashion designs that can be according to the building system, that can be sealed rooms, sealed containers, or it can be even one type of BSL4, that is positive pressure personal suits. So these are the different containment zones which can be required at different biosafety levels. Now, it is very necessary to elaborate the description even regarding the entry into the rooms. Decontamination procedures should be in a descriptive form prior to performing the procedures. And even at BSL4, high security is required. So only authorized persons can enter into the room. And such containment zone is also known as hot zone.